We basically protect people online. Cybersecurity is a critical piece of that and what a company does. Our tagline is cybersecurity delivered, which means basically that our mission is fundamentally to protect the customer as best as we can, as effectively as we can. Cybersecurity, it's adversarial. It's an arms race where they have more complicated attacks and we have more complicated defenses. And the complexity over the past few years has been growing exponentially. Snowflake Data Cloud helps Sophos build better detection models by allowing us to simply increase the complexity of the models themselves. What Snowflake does is basically allows the data scientists to become independent from data engineers. They can run their own aggregations, so manipulate the data to make it into the format that they need in order to send it out for machine learning. When you're manipulating data, like a scale, like SQL makes it very easy. It's like a standard, but there is a limitation, which is everything in our industry revolves around Python, like machine learning models, machine learning training. You can't just run SQL. Sometimes you have Python components. Snowpark allowed our data scientists to express their complicated, let's say, labeling logic and other pieces of transformation, which are typically applied on huge amounts of data, but the way you think about it is you need to apply it in Python. By doing Snowpark, it's this simple piece of code that's maintainable and trackable, and that data scientists can look at quickly and understand exactly what happened and change the logic up. It significantly increases the pace of innovation. They can just, within a day, they can iterate multiple times, and that little piece, that makes a huge difference when you add it up over a span of months. Having, one of the more complicated and I would say most accurate, best machine learning models in the industry is definitely giving us an edge. In not just in terms of competition, but in terms of, actual protecting actual customers from actual threats. And that feels good.